to record screen on MacBook. So here is a guide on recording your screen on a MacBook. So let's get started. So basically you can press Command plus Shift plus 5. Once you tap on it, the screen capture toolbar appears at the bottom with the options. You can see capture entire screen, capture selected window, capture selected person, record entire screen, record selected portion option available on a screen. So currently I am recording my screen, so I will just get to see the stop recording button available there. In the stop recording button, if you are not recording, then you will get to see record the entire screen option available here. So now if I tap on it, my recording will stop. Once the recording has been stopped, it will be selected or saved on the location where you have chose. Mine is in desktop, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.